Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about common car electrical problems and how to rectify them. Electrical problems can be frustrating and can leave you stranded on the side of the road. They can also be sometimes difficult to diagnose, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can often fix them yourself. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll cover some of the most common electrical problems and how to fix them. So, let's get started. 1. Dead battery. The most common electrical problem is a dead battery. If your car won't start, it's likely that the battery is dead. To fix this, you'll need to jumpstart your car. You can do this by connecting the positive and negative terminals of your car battery to another car's battery using jumper cables. Once the car starts, let it run for a while to recharge the battery. Once the car is running, it's important to check the battery and alternator to ensure they are functioning properly. 2. Alternator failure. Another common electrical problem is alternator failure. The alternator is responsible for charging the battery while the car is running. If the alternator fails, the battery will not be charged, and the car will eventually stop running. A faulty alternator can cause a variety of electrical issues in a car, such as dimming headlights or a dead battery. If you suspect your alternator is the problem, you can test it using a multimeter. To fix this, you'll need to repair or replace the alternator. You can do this yourself if you have some mechanical knowledge, or you can take it to a mechanic. 3. Blown fuses. Blown fuses are another common electrical problem. Fuses protect the electrical system from damage caused by power surges. If a fuse blows, it will need to be replaced. To do this, locate the fuse box in your car, and find the blown fuse. Replace it with a new one of the same amperage. 4. Faulty starter. Another common issue is a faulty starter. If you turn the key and nothing happens, it could be due to a bad starter motor. In this case, you'll need to repair or replace the starter motor, which can be a bit of a job but is definitely doable with the right tools and knowledge. Check the starter for damage. You may also need to replace the starter relay. 5. Corroded battery terminals. Corroded battery terminals can also cause electrical problems in cars. If you notice corrosion on the terminals, you can clean them using a wire brush and a solution of baking soda and water. This will help improve the connection and prevent future issues. 6. Faulty wiring. Faulty wiring can be a bit more difficult to diagnose and rectify, but it's not impossible. If you're experiencing intermittent electrical issues, it could be due to a wiring problem. In this case, it's best to consult a professional or an automotive electrician who can diagnose and repair the issue. Here are some additional car electrical problems. Dim lights. Dim lights can be caused by a number of factors, including a faulty alternator, a blown fuse, or a problem with the headlights themselves. Electrical shorts. Electrical shorts occur when two wires touch each other, causing a spark or a fire. Electrical shorts can be caused by a variety of factors, including damaged wires, corrosion, and rodents. In order to rectify these car electrical problems, repair or replace damaged wires. If you find damaged wires, you will need to repair or replace them. Address corrosion. Corrosion can be a major problem in car electrical systems. You can clean away corrosion using a wire brush and baking soda. Preventing common car electrical problems. There are a number of things you can do to prevent common car electrical problems, including: keep your battery clean and free of corrosion. Check your car's electrical system regularly for any damage or loose wires. Avoid overloading your car's electrical system. Don't leave the lights on when the car is not running. Have your car's electrical system inspected regularly by a qualified mechanic. In conclusion, there are several common electrical problems that can occur in cars, but with the right knowledge and tools, many of them can be rectified at home. Whether it's a dead battery, faulty starter, blown fuses, or corroded terminals, taking the time to diagnose and fix these issues can save you time and money in the long run. We hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.